This is the Unit 5 Success Plan tutorial. This success plan is a little bit different. You'll be writing a personal statement. Personal statements are very important and often required when you put in applications to schools or programs, scholarships, other rewards. We have loaded into the information at the top of this personal statement a number of links that you should visit with very, very good advice on how to draft a personal statement. For this personal statement, you're answering the following questions. So you can see them listed here. Why do you want to become your first career choice? How will you meet the challenges of that program? And we're not asking you to explain the steps of the application process that you did for your academic plan. This is how you will rise up to the rigors of this program, because healthcare programs are quite challenging. What unique characteristics and skills do you bring that will allow you to succeed? And then finally, what will you contribute to the field after you complete your education? Now, there's a lot of different things that you can put into your personal statement, and they are listed here. But it's very, very important to understand that you're trying to show as an applicant how you are unique and also how you are suited to this career and this program. We've listed a number of things to avoid, so you don't want to focus on the financial benefits of the career. That's part of the decision-making process for sure, but you want to focus on your fit for the career. Don't discuss things that could be controversial. Politics, religion, other subjects. Of course, you should be honest and accurate. And cliches like I'm a caring person or I like helping people, people who read these applications hear that thousands and thousands of times. Okay, you are trying to show how you are unique as an applicant. The instructions for how to submit this assignment are listed. This will be a Word document. Okay, and I just want to stress one more time, we have some excellent links at the beginning of this success plan. So you will write the Word document and then hopefully edit it to look over it. This should be a polished essay that really shows your potential. And lastly, I did want to mention that we have loaded right underneath in the course the office if you need that to get access to that on your computer.